enjoy our high-protein iced coffee. Pero before anything else, I'd like to share with you quickly, ayan, my story. Nandiyan po ba ang ating slide? So, good morning everyone. I'm Coach Aika po from Santa Rosa, Laguna. And before Herbalife po, I used to weigh 187 pounds with very low energy. So kanina, nakikinig ako sa mga sharing nila about them having, not having breakfast. Ako naman, nagbe-breakfast ako before, pero yung breakfast ko typically is yung mga high sugary drink, na high sugary chocolate drink, kaya kasi mahilig po ako sa chocolates. Tapos, high carbs breakfast like bread with butter, ganon. Kasi typically, yun yung readily available at home and at work. So, ang background ko po, I used to work for a hotel and libre po yung pagkain namin sa trabaho. So, lagi ko po sinasabi, nakakataba ang libre kasi I made, I took an advantage na to get the free food. Ayun. So, because of that, I gained a lot of weight and yung pong energy level ko in my early 20s talaga naman po very low because yun nga, dahil nga sa unhealthy food intake. So, with the personalized program and healthy active lifestyle, because in this community of Herbalife po, I was able to lose 30 incredible pounds and the energy po that I have right now to the roof na. Ayun. So, yung dating gusto lang lagi couch potato, nood ng K-drama, right now I have better energy to do more and kumbaga, mas marami pa akong nagagawa in every single day. Ayan. So, moving on to our recipes. Ayan. For today, ito po. Ito po ang latest natin na high-protein iced coffee. So, kanina, ang sinishare sa atin is the power of healthy breakfast. So, this one po, yung ating high-protein iced coffee, designed po siya to become our healthy coffee beverage. So, pwede po natin siyang inumin as our healthy snack. And also, later on, I will show you how you can apply it to your healthy breakfast. Siyempre, parang gusto kasi natin na this is a sustainable lifestyle for us. So, once in a while, you want to enjoy coffee, and it's okay because right now, meron na tayong ganito. So, parang, Coach, bakit ganun? Hindi ako ini-encourage to have coffee during my program, pero bakit ngayon we have the high-protein iced coffee na? So ano bang kinaibahan nito dun sa iniinom mo? Ayan. So here, you can see that this high-protein iced coffee with 15 grams of protein, meron lang siyang 80 calories. Ibig sabihin, low in calorie siya. Also, no added sugar. So, yung mga readily available sa market, meron po siyang added sugar, added fat, ganyan. So, ngayon po, since bago talaga siya, I'm gonna show you how you can prepare it as per label. Yun, kung hindi mo pa siya na-encounter para maano mo na, okay, ganun lang pala kadali. So, bibili na ako. Ayan. So, let's start with the classic iced coffee. Okay, so how do we do that? Very simple. So this is recipe number 1. So you get your shaker cup or you can use your blender for this one. So dito na lang muna tayo yung very simple version. Okay, so you get your shaker cup and then you get some water. Wait lang po. Okay, so your water should be not hot water po, no?
Coach Aika, yung
hindi
ang init, tama? Kailangan ay regular lang na water. Or
regular water.
Okay. So, ano po yung sukat ulit ng water?
Okay, so for this recipe, we're going to use 250 ml. Okay, 250 ml of water. Wala pala akong water sa tabi ko kasi. Okay, so ito po isang bag of our protein iced coffee. Meron siyang scooper inside. And ito pong scooper na to, yan, 2 scoop ang isang serving. So we're gonna, yan, scoop 2 scoops of the HBIC. And grabe ang bango niya. Ang ginamit pala sa kanya ay Robusta coffee beans. And for every serving nito, you get 80 milligrams of caffeine. So, you'll get the energy kick. Yan. So, ito, 2 scoops. Okay. And all you need to do, simple, kalugin mo lang siya. Shake, 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 shake. Ayan. Hanggang maging well incorporated na siya with the water. Okay. Actually, you can use your cold water for this if wala ka namang yelo and ayaw mo din ng sobrang malamig. Okay? So now, yan. Halo na siya. Mukha talaga siyang kape, di ba? Okay. I have here my cup, my Herbalife cup. Okay. So, add lang tayo ng ice. Ice coffee. Diba? Sorry, ice coffee, may ice. Ayan. We have our ice. And now you just pour.
Wow.
And as simple as that, you have your protein iced coffee. So when can you enjoy this coffee? No? Any time of the day. Any time of the day as a healthy snack. Okay? Pero yun nga, hindi mo siya replacement for your morning shake. Ayun. So, meron tayong so, yun siya. Okay? So, next, gawan natin ng konting creativity yung morning, yung iced coffee. No? So, what we're going to do next is our caramel latte. Gusto nyo ba nun? Gusto nyo ba ng coffee shop caramel latte? Okay, so we start with yung ating, i-prepare mo lang. You have here your soy milk or your milk of choice. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto ninyong milk. Okay, and then gonna get more water. For this one, we're gonna use 100 ml of water. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the blender this time. So 100 ml po in tubig. Then you're gonna add the 2 scoops of HPIC. Meron na po ba sa inyong gumagawa na ng kanilang iced coffee? Sino po dyan sa ating mga and then maybe you can share in the chat box paano mo tinitimpla yung sayo right now. Okay, so yan, we have the 2 scoops and then we will blend it for a bit. Kasi sa kanya, when you use a blender, ang ganda ng nagiging texture niya, mas velvety, parang gano'n, mas smooth. So now, we're going to use this cup. Okay, this is a 22-ounce cup. Okay, and then we're gonna add in our ice. So, fill mo lang yung cup with ice. Ayun.
Coach Aika, ilang minutes ulit i-blender?
Actually, quick lang. Basta, lang siya, mag-mix lang siya together. So, I mix the HPIC with the ice. Ayan. Tapos, ito na. We're going to add some, since caramel latte siya, no? So, we're going to add sugar-free caramel. Okay? So, ito po ay binili ko lang online. So, lagyan mo lang na about a tablespoon konti lang yun. Very strong din yung lasa nito. Okay? And then, you can add in a bit of caramel drizzle on the side for, for decoration purposes. Kasi you eat with your eyes. So, pag maganda yung nakikita mo, enjoy ka lalo. Pero, konti lang kasi we don't want to add much of the calories. Okay, and then next is we're going to fill it with the soy milk. So, yung soy milk, around 250 ml siya. So, let's try muna. Try natin around 200 kasi ma-overfill. Okay, so around 200 ml. Okay, and then using a spoon, so we do, parang barista, barista feels na kayo. Okay, using a spoon, the back of your spoon, okay, lagay mo, dun mo padaanin yung coffee. Bakit ganon? Kasi, tingnan mo siya. It's creating a layer.
Wag to two colors yung baso mo.
Yes, and dahil dyan, mukha na siyang galing sa mamahaling coffee shop. Tama?
Wow, yes! Magaya-ngaya.
So, pwede i-apply sa Nutrition Club kasi, di ba, very, appealing to the eye. Ayun. Okay, so,
ang sarap naman.
Caramel latte. Okay, so next, very quickly, we're going to do our, lastly, how to apply the HPIC with our Formula 1 shake. So, as your healthy breakfast, no? Kung gusto mo coffee infused yung iyong breakfast. So, quickly, let's have our soy milk. Okay, for this recipe, to make it creamy, kasi ang natin ngayon, ang shake natin ngayon is coffee crumble. Okay, so familiar ba kayo sa coffee crumble ice cream? Yan. So, ganun yung application natin ngayon. So, we're going to add in our 200 ml of soy milk. Okay. And then 2 scoops of our cookies and cream Formula 1. Bakit cookies and cream? Kasi it has sweeter taste compared to our vanilla shake. Pero kung anong meron shake ka dyan, pwede. So, lahat po ng Formula 1 shake is low glycemic index. Ibig sabihin, they are low in sugar. So, any variant will be okay for this recipe. So, we have the 2 scoops of cookies and cream. And then now, for this one, let's just add in 1 scoop of HPIC. Kasi your shake naman has 9 grams of protein. This one, 15 divided by 2. Coach Evelyn, 15 divided by 2. Pinagma.
7.5 na ang iyong
So, 7.5 plus 9 grams, ilan yun?
So, meron ka ng 16.5 grams.
Okay, so let's blend this quickly. Muna. Ang sarap dito, meron siyang cookie bits kasi cookies and cream siya.
Ayan, so ilang minutes naman siyang i-blender pagka ganyan. Kasama ang shake.
Sandali lang din naman. Kasi gusto mo lang naman. Kung gusto mong medyo mas airy siya, you add in, parang more seconds. Medyo maingay lang kasi para sa live natin. Okay, so for the ice, okay, so what I do, kung anong baso, siya rin dami ng ice. Ganun ang sa Nutrition Club, ganun yung aking cheat sheet. Kasi kung anong dami ng mga naman.
Coach Aika, may question dito. Si Coach Mayet.
Yes.
Pwede sa hot or warm recipes yung ating protein coffee?
Ano po, warm recipe?
Pwede daw sa hot or warm
According
recipe.
to our consultant, Ms. Elisantor, hindi tayo encouraged to add in hot water dun sa ating mixture kasi po, lumalapot po siya. Lalapot po siya masyado. So that's and then maybe in the coming days we can arrange more of the more recipes pa to enjoy our HPIC. Ayun. So dali lang po ang more ice.
Ayan, Coach Mayet, I hope narinig niyo yung sagot ni Coach Aika.
Opo.
Even yata kahit warm lang, hindi rin pwede?
I guess yung room temperature is fine, pero kasi sabi daw never sa hot water. Kasi po, so, ito yung, sorry for that. So, some people like their shakes with yung very smooth. Ako gusto ko yung merong konting, ice crunch. Okay, so what I have here po is cashew. So, di ba pag coffee crumble, meron kang nakakain na cashew. So, I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of cashew. And also, half a tablespoon of chocolate chips. So parang medyo this is yung parang pang Saturday, coffee treat mo. Yun. So medyo mas masarap talaga siya. You're making it like ice cream talaga, ice cream like.
Pang cheat day ba yan, Coach Aika?
Reward day. Don't make it as a cheat, you make it as a reward.
Reward days, ayan.
Yes.
So happy days.
Ayan. So now, lang yun, pinulse ko lang yung cashew and the chocolate chips para ma-enjoy mo pa siya in our shake. Ayun. So, ito na ang ating coffee crumble shake. Ayan.
Wow!
So, alin ang uunahin mo? Yung coffee crumble shake for breakfast, tapos mamaya for snack, yung caramel latte mo, and then later gagawan mo yung iyong loved one na regular iced coffee. Ayun.
Parang mga K-pop idols lang, iced coffee.
Ang lakas ng K-drama, no?
Yan! So, ang sarap naman yan, Coach Aika. Any tips pa po, Coach Aika?
Kulang pa ba yun? Joke. So, actually, we're still very new with the HPIC and we're trying to, come up with more recipes pa, how we can enjoy this. And I hope po, yung mga applications ninyo, how to enjoy, ma-share nyo din sa amin. Ayun.
Wow! Sige, thank you.